Are you tired of feeling stuck in a rut? Want to see a flatter belly in just 30 days? We all know belly fat can be stubborn, but what if I told you there's a way to blast through that plateau and achieve a stronger, healthier you? Introducing the 30-Day Belly Fat Challenge. This isn't your average workout program. We're talking quick, effective daily workouts that fit into your busy schedule, no gym required. Plus, we'll provide you with a delicious, easy-to-follow meal plan that helps you burn fat and build lean muscle. Imagine feeling confident in your own skin again. Imagine having the energy to keep up with your life. Imagine seeing real results in just 30 days. Are you ready to transform your body and your life? Then sign up for the 30-Day Belly Fat Challenge today. Click the link in the description below to join the challenge and get started on your journey to a healthier, happier you. This challenge is for everyone. Whether you're a beginner or a fitness enthusiast, we can modify the workouts to fit your level. The 30-Day Belly Fat Challenge teaches you practical and proven methods to eating the right foods for optimal nutrition and results. The workouts are simple and effective for supercharging your metabolism to melt away unwanted fat and rebuilding muscles that support a healthier version of yourself. Sign up now and take the first step towards a new you.